Hi everyone, it's Michael from MDO Video here to show you how to solder a copper manifold for plumbing. Now, this here is a manifold, and this is the incoming line right here that comes up, and it branches off to these other two, and I'm going to be adding on another one. So, what I need to do here first is clean clean that. And now I'm going to get the torch and unsolder it. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, let me pause the video. Okay, I've got the torch. Yeah, we might have a problem here with this. Alright, there we go. I'm going to do the next one in part 2, so I will continue this in part 2. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.